Hello, afternoon. Today's topic of discussion is administration of justice at Bombay during second period, that is from 1683 to 1690. In the previous lecture already we have discussed the first stage or first period of administration of justice, and in that we have already discussed judicial plan of 1670 and new judicial plan of 1672. In this lecture, we are going to discuss administration of justice at Bombay during second period. So this period started with the establishment of an Admiralty Court in Bombay under the Charter of 1683, and that was similar to that of Madras. The increase in the offences of piracy means offences relating to sea theft, that is known as piracy, and crimes in general necessitated the establishment of Admiralty Court at Bombay. Jurisdiction of this Admiralty Court decided not only admiralty and maritime cases but also civil and criminal cases. Composition: Admiralty Court was presided over by a lawyer, Dr. John, who was well conversant with the civil law. Judges was called as the judge advocate. It was the Crown's court and it applied the English law. The object of the Charter of 1683 was very good. It was aimed to constitute an impartial and independent judiciary in India. It was indebted, intended to be independent of the executive. There were persons learned in law who were appointed as judges. However, the system failed to deliver goods because there was always a friction between the Admiralty Court and the governor in council. Hence, a very good system failed for the reason of personal whims and egos of the governor. Till this system continued till 1690. In 1690, Bombay was attacked by Siddhi, and Siddhi was the African community. So it was attacked by Siddhi, the admiral of the Mughal emperor who captured Bombay. Admiral means a naval officer of very high rank. त्याला नौसेनाधिपती म्हटलं जातं. So he attacked Bombay and captured Bombay in 1690, and because of which existing system was broken. From 1690 to 1780 there was no proper functioning of courts in Bombay, and it came under the control of the Mughals. There was a total failure or disturbance as to administration of justice. The history of judicial evolution at Bombay was in the dark, and no record is available to give information to that account. Third stage, administration of justice at Bombay during third period or third stage, that is from 1718 to 1728. 1718 to 1728 was revival of judicial machinery. Revival means rebirth of a judicial machinery. A new court of judicature was created. Composition of Court of Judicature. It consisted of a Chief Justice and 9 judges. Chief Justice and 5 judges were all Englishmen who were also the member of the council. Rest 4 judges were Indians representing different communities in India. Indian judges were collectively called as black judges. Court sat once a week and gave quick and cheap justice. Jurisdiction of this court, a new court of judicature tried all civil, criminal, admiralty cases, testamentary cases, and intestate cases. Testamentary means relating to will, and intest means when a person dies without having made a will, means when not having made a will before one dies, that is known as intest. Law to be applied in a new court of judicature. Cases were tried according to English law, and the rules and ordinances issued by the company from time to time. And whenever necessary, the principle followed was justice, equity, and good conscience. Indian customs and usages were also considered in determining the cases. Appeals Appeal was heard by the governor and council from this court, that is from the new court of judicature. An appeal from the decision of the court of judicature was allowed to the court of governor and council in cases where the amount involved was rupees 100 or more. So the conclusion, this court function, that is new Court of Judicature functioned till 1728, when it was replaced by better court known as Mayor's Court, and that was established at Bombay under the Royal Charter of 1726. So with this, I have completed administration of justice during second and third stage, or during second and third period. Thank you.